What's up, guys? Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your windshield wiper blades on a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So it's a pretty easy process. All you do is walk up to the wiper, pull it up like that, and look at it and try to figure out how exactly you change it. I've actually never changed these before, but I have these Rain-X Latitude water repellency wiper blades. So, has instructions. I usually don't read instructions. I'm not a big fan of them. Whoa, they look fancy. It's got a whole different mechanism there. I wonder if it was the same size. Yeah, it looks like it. Huh. These are some fancy wiper blades. So let's take a look at our instructions here. Alright, about 25 minutes later, and we have our left driver's side windshield wiper put on. Let's do our right passenger. Windshield wipers are very easy to take the old ones off, and very easy to put the new ones on once you know what you're doing. Pretty much all, if you have a Jeep such as this, all you do is you take this, there's a little tab here on this particular style, and it's what's called a J hook. You pretty much just put the J part of the hook in here. Just goes in place, it snaps, and then you pull this yellow cover off and set the wipers down. Alright guys, and there you can see, does not smudge the water like the old wiper blades did. That is very good. I think I've gotten my use of almost 3 years out of these guys. 3 years and new wiper blades. So hopefully you guys found this video either entertaining or it helped you out. Please leave me a comment down below, either way, whichever one it was. I'll see you guys next time.